Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We're back in the kitchen. I just posted a video. I told you I was gonna be back. Now I'm up inside the oxtail. Look at this. Look at this lovely people out here. Come on. Who make the best oxtail? Y'all ready now? Who make the best oxtail? I'm right here to New York City. Bring anyone come. Let me show them what's going on. Over here, got the Congo. I ain't making a lot, but I'm within 4 degrees outside. That's why our food stays fresh. Don't make a whole bundle and keep it up. Over here, I got some pepper steak. See that? Pepper steak. Let me show you something. I got a spoon. I got a spoon for every pot. Alright? So this is the pepper steak. I got my own spoon stirring the pepper steak. Curry goat, own spoon stirring the curry goat. Over here, the oxtail. You want me to break something down to you? This oxtail, pot roast oxtail. I learned it from my mama. May her soul rest in peace. So, you know all these ingredients and everything left with me. So, who want to follow me on my YouTube page? I give you mama ingredients. Alright? So, for now, I'll be back. You already know my YouTube page? If you don't know, check it out. I'm not even going to sweat it and give it to you again. You're supposed to know. Have a beautiful day, and God bless you guys.